So to explain the concept of dynamic pricing and how it can be used to maximize total revenue, we'll just look at the original concept here of total revenue, which is price times quantity demanded. So 50 by 50 is 2,500. Now, if the retailer were able to change the price depending on the time of day or which customers are coming in, this is what's known as dynamic pricing, and just say brings it up to €100 for certain customers or at a certain time of day or for whatever reason. And let's just say then that 25 people buy that good. So that means that he's already, even if he only sells 25 times 100, that's already equal to all of the previous revenue under the old model that we're used to. So then if he can sell the remaining 25, which is the difference here, and then just charges €50, that will equal 1,250, which means now his total revenue would be 3,750. In other words, that plus that. So if he were able to employ dynamic pricing, in other words, not just accept the market equilibrium price here, but instead charge some people that and then eliminate the consumer surplus of others and charge €100 for the good, he may lose customers. He would only sell 25 units according to this diagram, but overall his total revenue will far exceed. So in other words, 3,750 versus 2,500 because of dynamic pricing. Now, how would he do that in a real world scenario? If he has to walk around and reprice all the goods in the showroom or in the shop, that's less likely to happen. But nowadays, if you notice on more and more supermarket shelves and various places, there are little digital readouts. So the digital readout, first thing in the morning, could say that for the good. And then when it's suited, just like that, with very little effort from a central console somewhere in the office, and he changes the price of the good. Okay, he will sell fewer items, but his total revenue will far exceed what it would have been under the old model of equilibrium price and quantity demanded.